This is a review of dashcam mirror. Let's go ahead and open it and see what we have. First of all, we have user manual. And let's see the dashcam. It has a great representation. It is telling pull out front camera. There is camera here, and we have the speaker. In this side you can turn it on and off, and here SD card. It has already SD card. Let's see, we have 32 gigabytes mini SD card, and AV in. This is for GPS, and type C adapter place. Let's continue. Inside the package, mirror dashcam and GPS receiver, backup camera cable. It is 21 feet. Car charger, user manual. There are 4 straps and mount bracket, cleaning cloth. We already have the mirror dashcam and straps. And here is the GPS. Let's take it out. Oh, cigarette lighter adapter. This is type C. And this is for the backup camera. It has a good quality. We're gonna get the positive from reverse lights. And this is the mounting stuff at the back of the car. Let's go ahead and insert type C. Then we have the GPS right there. And here is the backup camera. It's gonna be right there. And let's go ahead and test it out right now. Let me go ahead and put it there and there. For this strap, I'm just gonna put it there. Okay, now we're good. This is for the GPS. This is for the backup camera. Yeah. Alright, here is the first look. It is recording right now. It's 4K. Let's see the settings. Resolution 4K, 2.5K, and 1080p, whichever you want. Loop time 1, 2, or 3 minutes. Exposure, you can change that. Gene sensor, it's middle. You can make it high. Forced rear view, if you want to use it. Screensaver off, and I'm just gonna put 1 minute. And language, audio recording. Time format, summertime. Mirror flip, you can flip it if you want. Vertical flip, you can do that also. Volume, you can change that. High. And startup sound off. Frequency 60 Hertz. You can change the date and time. Format, SD card, GPS. Let's see GPS info. One available right now. In speed unit, I'm gonna use miles per hour. Over speed alarm, you can change it 70. And you can restore the factory settings about this machine. Okay, right now it is recording. You can change the brightness from here and GPS right there, and the time 4K. Okay, look at that. You can change it however you want, or you can change the camera angle. See, however you want. Okay, here is the backup camera. I'm just gonna put it at the back and let's see. Let me go ahead and plug it for the backup camera. And now that's the back. We're gonna test it out on the road. If you wanna take a picture, you can take a picture. If you wanna watch the recordings, these are the recordings. This is G sensor. If there's an accident, you can watch it from here. And see, I installed it over here, right there. I need to remove all the clips and then take it out. And we're gonna install the camera right there. We are getting the camera cable from here. And then right there, I will go ahead and put the camera right there. Right now I put it over there and I got the cable from there to here, and then I will go ahead and connect it. I will get the backup camera from here and then I will put it over here. And then I will continue putting it over there. Right, then right over there and here. And it's gonna go from there to here, and the connection is successful. Let me go ahead and close this and see the result. Also get the cigarette lighter cable from here, right there, and then it's gonna go from here and there. I'm just gonna go that way, and the last destination is gonna be right here. I put the cables inside, right there, and then I will put everything inside professionally later. But let's see if it's gonna work or not. Now the backup camera is working. I put the positive right over here, rear gear light, and let's see how it's gonna operate. Let's go ahead and take a roll. Right now I'm able to see the front, but when I put it in the rear gear, let's see what's gonna change. Okay, this is what you see automatically. And put it in the forward, then this is what you see. Let's go outside and test it. Right now this is back side. This is what you can see. Also, you can change parking lines however you want. See, you can also change the direction. This is good. And let me put it in the front here. You can see right over here the miles per hour. Right now it is one mile per hour, 2, and we're going to west, and it is recording 4K right now. Let me go ahead and change the direction. Now is south and 14 miles per hour. If you want to change the camera, you can just do that, or both of them together. Again, back, front, back, you can park it very nicely. I can recommend this product because it is recording 4K and it has GPS right there, and it is telling you the speed. There is time and date right over here. You can see the front and you can see the back at the same time, or only front or only back. And you can also change the direction however you want. Whenever you put it in the rear gear, it is basically showing the back automatically, and you can change the direction of the parking lines. When we look at it, other features, take a picture, record a video, or record sound, or you can lock it, and you can change the brightness. See, you can change the brightness however you want. This is what you see. Isn't that awesome?